Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Vertical. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous, beautiful Bhojpuri actress Kajal Ragwani. So today I did her song and the song name is Laga Ke Chale Itar Choli Ke Bhitar, and I did this video with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame, and I covering all the angle of Kajal Ragwani in this video. So लगा के चले इधर चोली के भीतर is a typical yet highly engaging Bhojpuri dance number that blend romance, playful flirtatious, and mass entertainment. Feature the film Nagina. The song star Kajal Ragwani opposite Pradeep Pandey and Chintu, and it clearly aimed to attract audience through vibrant visual, catchy music, and bold expression rather than deep storytelling. From the very first beat, the song established its intention to be loud, colorful, and instantly appealing to the Bhojpuri mass audience. Musically, the song is driven by a fast and paced desi rhyme that is easy to groove and perfect for stage performance, wedding, and DJ playlists. The tune follows a familiar Bhojpuri item song structure, but its infectious hook keep it from feeling dull or repetitive. The singer's energetic voice adds a charm to the composition, making the song sound lovely and playful rather than aggressive. The lyrics, while bold and double meaning in places, are represented in a mischievous tone that align with the genre traditional flirtatious style. The song is the biggest highlight of the song. Her screen presence, confidence, and expressive body language elevate the entire video. She looked glamorous, graceful, and completely in control of the frame, which explains why she remains one of the most admired actresses in the Bhojpuri cinema. Her dance performance is bold yet balanced. She knows exactly how to maintain audience attention without appearing forced. Kajal Raghavani facial expressions and eye movement add layer of the charm, making the song visually engaging throughout. The chemistry between Kajal Raghavani, Pradeep Pandey, Chintu is another strong point. Their playful interaction, teasing gesture, and synchronized movement make the song enjoyable and entertaining. Chintu's performance complements Kajal energy while adding humor and flirtations that enhance the song narrative. Their on-screen equation feel natural with help the audience stay connected to the visual. Visually, the song is rich in a bright color, traditional costumes, and festive settings, a signature style of Bhojpuri cinema. The camera work focus heavily on expression and dance movement, ensuring that the song remains visually dynamic. The choreography, though not complex, is energetic and suits the rural romantic vibe of the track. It is designed more of mass appeal than artistic innovation, which works perfectly for the genre. From an audience perspective, लगा के चले इतर चोली के भीतर success because it delivers exactly what Bhojpuri fans expect: entertainment, glamour, rhyme, and repeat value. While critics may point out the lack of lyrics depth or originality, the song never pretends to be something it's not. It embraces its identity as a fun, crowd pleasing dance number and executes the confidently. लगा के चले इधर चोली के भीतर is a high energy Bhojpuri dance song that thrives on Kajal Raghavani's star power, catchy music, and visually appealing presentation. It may not offer poetic lyrics, or meaningful message, but it excels as a mass entertainer of fan of Bhojpuri cinema and Kajal Ragwani. This song is a treat that delivers glamour, fun, and dance floor energy in full measure. Musically, the song is structured around high energy folk influence beat, balanced with modern Bhojpuri sound arrangement. The rhyme in respective but internationally so ensuring that it sticks in the listener mind after just one hearing. The singers deliver the song with a playful tone, emphasizing every word with confidence and mischief. The lyrics filled with suggestive metaphor and traditional Bhojpuri flavor are crafted to tease rather than offend, maintaining a balance between boldness and entertainment. While the song does not aim for poetic depth, it succeeds in being catchy, memorable, and perfectly aligned with its target audience. The lyrics play a crucial role in shaping the song's popularity. They reflect the style and that is deeply rooted in rural Bhojpuri culture. Expression are common storytelling tool. The double meaning line, though controversial to some, are a familiar and expected part of Bhojpuri commercial cinema. In this song, they are delivered with a light-hearted tone, ensuring that focus remains on fun rather than vulgarity. This lyrics approach is one of the reasons of the resonate strongly with the core audience. Kajal Ragwani performance is undoubtedly the soul of the song. Her confident charm and natural screen dominance transform the track into a visual spectacle. She carries the song effortlessly using expressive eye, graceful movement, and controllable boldness. Her dance is not overly complex yet is impactful because of her timing and expressions. Kajal Ragwani understands the pulse of Bhojpuri cinema and delivers exactly what fans expected: glamour without losing her elegance. Her costume, makeup, and styling further enhance her on-screen appealing and making every frame visually captivating. The chemistry between the Kajal Ragwani and Pradeep Chintu adds the depth to the song narrative. Their interactions are playful, hilarious, and filled with teasing energy, which keeps the visual engaging. Chintu's expression and body language and humor and loveliness, preventing the song's humor becoming one-dimensional. Together, they create a dynamic that feel organic rather than staged, a quality that significantly boosts the song repeat value. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.